It is December 2019, and I have just gotten my first ever cell phone, which is in this box right here. And we're going to open that up in a minute. But first, a little bit of history with me and phones, if you care. This right here is the phone that I've been using for like the last 10 years. It's unplugged right now, so you can't hear the dial tone. But it's just a really basic Panasonic desk phone that I think I got at a garage sale for like $1 or something. And right next to that here is this AT&T phone that I've had literally since the 1990s. And as you can see, I haven't washed my hands since the 1990s either. This phone, I use it as an answering machine because this doesn't have an answering machine, but this does, but this doesn't work as a phone, but this does. So let me show you the coolest feature about this phone. Every time the power goes out, which doesn't happen very often, I have to reset the clock on this. It's so cool, look.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, 2 p.m., 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 28, 20, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 18, 20, 20, 27, 28, 29, Monday, 2:29 p.m.
Isn't that awesome? So I've been perfectly happy with my old landline and my old answering machine that used to be my old landline. And I pay way too much for this. In fact, what I got was a dial tone from Verizon, and any phone call I made, I had to pay by the minute. And this cost me, here's my latest Verizon bill, $49.43 a month just to get a dial tone and use this old technology. Now, why would I do that? Thumb, I can't stand cell phones. I just hate them. I've always hated them. I never wanted one. Finger, just in case the power goes out, like, I could get Fios, I could get Spectrum, internet phone, but in case the power goes out, I like to have an old landline phone. And middle finger to Verizon, because they sent me this thing right here, and we're going to take a look at that. So this is the letter I got from Verizon. Dear me. I scribbled me out so you don't know who I am. You don't need to know who I am. We are updating the network in your area to fiber technology and removing our copper facilities. Fiber greatly increases call quality and reliability. Blah, blah, blah. Our copper network will no longer be available, so call Verizon. Fiber upgrade, yada, yada, yada. Signed, Janet Gasley Martin. I used to have an aunt named Janet. I guess I still do. Now, what I was going to do is go with this Motorola Moto G7 through Republic Wireless. And this phone had great reviews, and it's $199. It was back-ordered, but it wasn't back-ordered when I was gonna buy it. It's just back-ordered now. But then I started looking into Tracfone, and I realized that Tracfone has like these really cheap, crappy cell phones that apparently aren't that crappy. And I don't need much in a cell phone because I've been using this, for the last however many years. So what I went ahead and did was ordered a phone, and it includes the Galaxy J2, which is in this box here, apparently, and a $20 unlimited monthly plan, and the total, after I found a coupon code for 15% off, $49.74. Now, I want you to compare these two numbers. $49.74 through Tracfone for a phone and a 1-month plan versus $49.43 through Verizon for 1 month worth of dial tone using this phone and this phone as an answering machine. I'm not sure that I really would have changed, but Verizon forced me to, so, I'm going to have to go with this $49.74, and month by month, it's going to be $20 a month for unlimited calls and texts and 1 gigabyte of data. Sounds good to me. So let's see what's in this box. Wow. That's a lot of box for this little. So let's see what we got in the box. First, we have this Tracfone unlimited card, and this is for 1 month of unlimited talk and text plus 1 gigabyte of data. And I don't think that I'm going to use much of this at all because I really never talk on the phone, and I just don't care about using my phone to go online and do stuff. So there's that. Now let's see what's inside this box. Oh, there's a lot of glare from my lights. I have an impromptu lighting setup. Open the flap. We'll open the flap. Oh, look. Velcro. It's like a hook and loop. All right. So this looks like something. you got all your instructions over here, and you got your Samsung Galaxy J2 right over here. On the back of the box, more yada yada yada, UPC. It's kind of a flimsy box, but I mean, what do you expect for a $30 cell phone, right? Uh-oh, I think I'm sunk. The phone cannot be activated unless scanned at register. I don't have a register. Were you the kid who tore his stuff open at Christmas? I wasn't. I opened my stuff delicately and carefully. This thing not only has a little plastic seal, but it also has some glue. So let's see what we got inside this box. That's not bad. A clamshell. I don't want you to see my serial number. What was your favorite kind of cereal? Oh, empieza aquí. Want to get the most from your phone and service? Services guide. Get to know your smartphone service. It's all inside. So now we can look and see what's inside the clamshell. First of all, they're very secure about this. I think they sell a lot of these at Walmart. So you got 2 security things just so no one steals your new smartphone. And I just dropped something on the ground, so let me grab that. There's your quick reference manual for the phone. It's a good looking phone. I wish I could take a photo like that. I guess you need to be a pro. And a Tracfone terms and conditions. I don't think we're really going to need these. Now also in the clamshell we have I guess this is like a USB charging cord, but we also have a wall adapter. I really wasn't expecting, I was expecting the cord so you could plug it into the computer. I was not expecting this. And this is the battery, and this is the back of the phone, and I guess it comes disassembled so you can pop a battery in and then go ahead and charge it. And now we can pop out the back of the clamshell and get to the phone itself. Kind of reminds me of like a Terminator movie, things all naked. But I guess it comes with the back off of it, and there must be, you got to pop the battery in and put the back on. And on the front, you have your little Samsung Galaxy J2. This is like a protective sticker. Imagine if it wasn't. Imagine if this is your phone. This is on your display all the time. I've had this phone for 2 seconds and I'm already going to scratch it trying to get this sticker off of it. Wait, this is a bad idea. Let me use my thumbnail. All right, I think I got it. So, there's your phone. Doesn't really look like much to me. And there's, yes, incandescent light bulb in a can. So, I guess that's it. I'm not really going to try and show you the part of this where I charge this up and try and connect it and activate it and use it, because I don't really know much about doing any of that stuff. So, here's the phone with the back on it. And that's what you get. This is what you get from Tracfone. For $50, you get the phone and you get this $20 unlimited data card. That seems a little bit better than getting a dial tone from Verizon for a month. What do you think? So I guess that's it. Just 19 years in, and I'm finally saying hello to the 21st century and goodbye to my trusty Panasonic desk phone and my AT&T answering machine. I'm going with this Tracfone with the Samsung J2. We'll see how it works out. Maybe in a month or so I'll do a review. Maybe not. Until then, thanks for watching.